Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we're going to focus on the k and g sounds. So the key distinction between these two sounds, the mouth shape looks the same and the same kind of action is happening inside the mouth. When I make the k and the g, I'm raising the back of my tongue. The difference is when I make a k, k, I want air coming out of my mouth, whereas with the g, g, what we're focusing on is vibration in the throat. So if you're not sure how to make these two sounds, check out the notes below this video and you'll see some links there to other useful resources on this site which will help you to get to grips with k and g. But if you feel ready to continue, then let's have a look at some really focused exercises here. So the method is listen and repeat what you hear. I'll say the exercise 3 times and then leave a gap after each time for you to repeat what you've heard. And we'll run through a total of 8 different exercises. So with the k, remember we're breathing out with some air, but we don't want to vibrate the throat. We don't want to add a vowel at the end here. So repeat after me. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. And now we want to use the voice. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. K, k, g, g. K, k, g, g. K, k, g, g. And now we'll reverse that. G, g, k, k. G, g, k, k. G, g, k, k. And alternating. K, g, k, g. K, g, k, g. K, g, k, g. The other way round. G, k, g, k. G, k, g, k. G, k, g, k. And the longer sequence now. K, g, k, g, k, g. K, g, k, g, k, g. K, g, k, g, k, g. And reversed. G, k, g, k, g, k. G, k, g, k, g, k. G, k, g, k, g, k. Great work. So it might seem a little strange isolating the sounds like this, but by doing this you're really getting to grips with what you have to do with your mouth and your throat in order to be able to control these sounds when you're speaking using words and sentences. So doing this isolated practice can feed into better pronunciation practice overall. So you could train with these sounds again. You could check out the other videos in this playlist to train with other sounds. Whatever you do decide to do, don't forget that with pronunciation work, practice makes perfect. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, check out the rest of the playlist if you get a chance. Okay, have a lovely day.